In some news just coming in, the Trinamool Congress has moved a privilege motion notice against the Home Minister Amit Shah over his comments on Ambedkar. This is the latest development in Parliament. Remember, there has been a massive uproar since yesterday, with this morning the opposition really stepping up its attack on Amit Shah over the comments he made yesterday during the debate on the Constitution in the Rajya Sabha. While attacking the Congress party, Amit Shah had said that the Congress has made it a fashion to take Ambedkar's name, and if they took God's name as much, they would attain heaven. He then went on to list how the Congress had insulted or sidelined Ambedkar, but the Congress picking up that line that the Home Minister said in Rajya Sabha and saying that Home Minister has insulted Ambedkar. Congress President Kharge, in fact, asking for Amit Shah to step down and apologize to the nation. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju earlier defended the Home Minister, saying the Congress had taken his remarks out of context. But now the latest development with the Trinamool Congress moving a privilege notice against Amit Shah. Let's go across to NDTV's Aishwarya for more on this. Aishwarya, give us the details. The opposition really stepping up its attack. Mamata Banerjee just posted on social media as well about how Amit Shah had insulted Ambedkar and hurt, millions of Dalits, and now this privilege notice in Parliament.
Well, that's right. All India Trinamool Congress's Derek O'Brien has missed a privilege notice in the Parliament against Home Minister Amit Shah with the remarks that he made yesterday in the Rajya Sabha. Remember, it is the Bharatiya Janata Party who had been stating so far that it is the Congress's cheap tricks as far as editing the video and not hearing what Home Minister Amit Shah stated about Mr. Ambedkar in 80 minutes long speech that he gave in the Rajya Sabha. Also, it was the Prime Minister of our country, Narendra Modi, who clearly tweeted and stated that Home Minister Amit Shah had exposed the Congress party over insulting Mr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar for many, many years, that it was the strategy of the Congress party that they wanted him to face defeat in several elections when he wanted to come in the Lok Sabha. And there was also at several locations, the Congress at that point of time did not hear what Baba Saheb Ambedkar really wants. It was yesterday, remember, when Home Minister Amit Shah was speaking during the Constitution debate, he was giving a reply. It was Home Minister Amit Shah who stated that the number of times the Congress party is using the name of Ambedkar, if they use the name of God, then they can achieve heaven. And this was just an edited portion which several of the Congress leaders, Congress party, official Twitter handle also posted, which Bharatiya Janata Party had stated that's edited video. Remember, it was Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister today as well, who stated that the real honor, the real respect is someone who gave to Baba Saheb Ambedkar was Bharatiya Janata Party with the outside support to the government that formed in 1990. It was the Bharatiya Janata Party who gave Bharat Ratna for the very first time. In fact, there was no statue in the parliament as well. And after Prime Minister Narendra Modi came into the power, the statue of B.R. Ambedkar was installed in the parliament. And there are several, policies that had brought to help the scheduled caste Dalits of the country. And the BJP are the and its members are the true followers of the ideas of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. It's something that the BJP had stated, but the opposition are up in arms. They had cornered the government, asking for resignation from Home Minister Amit Shah, asking for apology from the Home Minister, and now a privilege motion has been moved by one of its allies, the Congress Party, as far as India Bloc is concerned. Trinamool Congress's Derek O'Brien moving a privilege motion against Home Minister Amit Shah over these remarks.
Right, Aishwarya, and what's been interesting is to see how the Prime Minister, himself leading this firefight in defense of Amit Shah attacking the Congress, posting on social media about the malicious lies that the Congress is spreading. But let's take a look, as Aishwarya was telling us today in Parliament, you had Mr. Rijiju also defending the Home Minister, you had Mr. Kharge hitting out. Let's listen into what was said before Rajya Sabha was adjourned.
कांग्रेस पार्टी माफी मांगना चाहे देश को। अंबेडकर आना चाहता था, कांग्रेस ने आने नहीं दिया, दोबारा हराया, तब से बाबा साहब चुनाव को छोड़ना पड़ा। उसके बाद 1956 में बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर का परिनिर्वाण होने के बाद कांग्रेस पार्टी ने 1990 तक बाबा साहब को भारत रत्न का अवार्ड देने से भी इनकार किया। इन्होंने
नया मुद्दा लेके नहीं आए। जो मुद्दा यहाँ पर अमित शाह ने उठाकर डिस्कशन में वो लाए थे, उन्होंने ये कहा था कि अंबेडकर का इतना आप लोग उठ उठ के बोलते हो, अगर यही उनका मजाक उड़ाया आपने, इसीलिए इन्होंने बाबा साहब अंबेडकर का अपमान किया। ये जो अपमान अंबेडकर का किया है वो कभी हम सहन नहीं करेंगे, करने नहीं। ये दलित विरोधी सरकार है,
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के खिलाफ है। ये इन्होंने कहा, ये पहले ही कह रहे थे कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को हम चेंज करेंगे, ये इसके खिलाफ हैं, अंबेडकर जी के खिलाफ हैं, उनकी विचारधारा के खिलाफ हैं। इनका पूरा का पूरा काम अंबेडकर जी ने जो किया और जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उसको खत्म करने का है, तो सब पूरा देश जानता है।
इस तरीके से कल अमित शाह राज्यसभा में उन्होंने कहा, एक गुस्ताखी की उन्होंने, और महामानव डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर का नाम लेते लेते उन्होंने कहा कि अब ये तो फैशन हुई है, अंबेडकर 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 अंबेडकर। मैंने सुना है ना आपको, ये अब फैशन हुई है। इतने बार अगर आप भगवान का नाम लेते तो शायद 7 जन्म में आपको स्वर्ग में स्थान मिल जाता। आप होते कौन हो? अंबेडकर जी ने जो एक व्यक्ति ऐसी है, किसी पक्ष की सीमा उनको लागू नहीं होती, हर एक के दिल में महामानव डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर जी के लिए एक स्थान है। और जिन्होंने संविधान हमें दिया, उनका अपमान जिस तरीके से भाजपा कर रही है वो हमें तो मंजूर नहीं है।
कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हमेशा बाबा साहब का अपमान किया है। जब बाबा साहब जिंदा थे तो उनका तिरस्कार किया है। इन्होंने तो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने तो अपने ऑफिस में बाबा साहब का फोटो लगाने के लिए भी मना कर दिया था। बाबा साहब के और 2 बार चुनाव हराया लोकसभा का। ये तो बाबा साहब का अपमान करने वाले लोग हैं और हम बाबा साहब का सम्मान करने वाले लोग हैं। जो उस हाउस में, जो राज्यसभा में माननीय गृह मंत्री जी ने जो जवाब दिया था, जो संविधान की 75 साल की यात्रा पर, उस हाउस की बात, और अब ये बाबा साहब के चित्र लेकर के आ रहे हैं और ये बाबा साहब का अपमान करने